Whoa! Welcome back to the studio. Ryan, aka BloodShot Airbrushing, aka everybody's favorite train robbing bandits. Oh man, remember when you couldn't walk into a bank dressed like this? Nothing like feeling like a character from Ninjago. And we are back for yet another studio update / roll call sticker giveaway. Another 500 have jumped on board. Well, yeah, maybe a few hundred, seeing as I was so late with the last video. But school is over. Things have changed a little bit. Sleeping in is back on the menu, so I can stay up a little later and get some things done. Speaking of things done, look at that shiny clear coat. All wrapped up and ready to be delivered. And let's just do a quick studio update, shall we? And Lumalore will be the next video in store. The pinup girl / Reaper. I have got the first video online of the how to apply. And the Grim Reaper, that video is so close. So close. Editing, done. Voiceovers, done. I'm just gonna add the funny little gifs. And then we've got, of course, the pinup girl, which was recorded start to finish. So that will be coming on down. The skull that I promised you will be coming on down. There was a lot of positive feedback to just allowing that video to run full time. So we're gonna do that in 2 parts. But we will still get that kicked out as quickly as I can. Again, below the camera kick. We've got the dash that I am currently working on. Not going to be recorded for the channel. It's a memorial, kind of personal to the customer. And it's a lot of work, and that would mean a lot of recording. Maybe we'll do some bits. Probably not. Another gas tank and bike has been picked up. Maybe, again, no promises. My days are very sporadic. And we've got the drum for the punk band Downway, which will definitely be recorded for the channel. And of course, the little model car. Promise that to you guys, so that will be coming on down the line. And beginners videos. I've got drop shadows for beginners. I've got French curves for beginners. These are already on the memory banks. Just need to be edited. We're talking hours and hours that need to be edited down to like 20-30 minutes. Something that is digestible for you guys. And lots of hacks. Man, I've been doing this for so many years that the hacks that I have to keep things running smoothly and efficiently and most importantly, cheaply. Got plenty more to kick on down to you guys. So do stay tuned. I know I haven't been here as of late, but I'm not going anywhere. I'm here for the long haul. Mark my words. So that's kind of it in a nutshell. She's pretty. And Lumalore, of course. That stuff is just mind-blowing. And now I'm just kind of rambling on. So we can cut the update. We're done with that. What do you think? He's bored too. Moving on. Sticker roll call giveaway. As I said at the beginning of the video, another few hundred have jumped on board. I am feeling the love, and the only way I can kick it back is through brand new sticky badges. And all you gotta do is comment for your chance to win. You'll get one of the big ones, 2 of the little tiny ones, and 1 of the super tiny ones. He almost caught that. And in order to make this channel a wee bit better, please drop me a line. Let me know what you like to learn. Most of you know that I try my best to comment on every comment that comes into this channel. That is an undertaking in itself, and I want to keep doing it. So please, if you have a question, throw it down and I will do my best to answer. Now, I'm not an egotistical maniac. If I don't know, I will simply say, no, And if it's something I've never used, well, I can't recommend it because, yeah, I ain't never used it, so I ain't got nothing to say. Basically that simple, but I am here for you guys for what I do know, and what I have, it is all yours. I give it to you freely. We will get this channel moving and chugging along. There is no end in sight. It is just finding the time. And I'll find it. It's there somewhere. Alright, my arm is getting crazy tired holding up this phone. He's ready to go. He's like, quit shouting, man. This room is tiny enough as it is. I don't need you yelling in my ears. He's got like super sensitive hearing. I hear this about dogs. Could be true. Don't believe everything you see on the internet. And that will be your tip for the brain box today. I don't got much more else to say other than check back in 24 hours to see if your comment is indeed a winner. I will comment on individual comments saying winner, winner, chicken dinner. I will do a list in the description section. And I will also do a comment in the comment section with the list of the 5 lucky winners to commemorate another 500 members of the BloodShot Army. We grow stronger every day. And all I have to say is, thank you. Without you guys, it's just a crazy dude in this pooch yelling in the garage. I'm sure my neighbors are very confused. Only one guy went in there. He's talking like there's 20 of them. And I'm trying really hard not to step on stickers as I move around this shop. I really don't have much else to say, but I want to let this video run so I can put an ad in it. Gotta make some money. Oh, I don't like that angle. And one more thing before we go. I do want to remind you that we've got the BloodShot PDF stencils. You can go to the website, you can download them, you can cut them out, and you can use them. These are a few of my favorites that I have been using, again, over the few decades that I've been doing this. So believe me, they will come in handy, and I do plan to do a video on a few things. Cutting them out, a few different ways you can cut them out, a few different materials you can use in your printer, and support the cause. Go down to the website, it's $5. It ain't much cheaper than a price of coffee at your local Starbucks. Or Tim Hortons. Alright guys, thank you from the bottom of my heart. The subscriber base is only getting stronger, and this will only open more doors for this channel, and I appreciate it greatly. We salute you. She can't really move. You know how it goes. Like, follow, subscribe. Thanks for coming along for the ride. Cheers. And feel free to slide on by the BloodShot Airbrushing webpage to pick up the aforementioned French curve stencils, set of 6 for only $5. You can also swing over to the BloodShot Airbrushing Spreadshirt merch page and pick yourself up a BloodShot Army uniform. We've got the BloodShot Air Force as well. And don't forget, guys, we've got the airbrushing hacks, airbrushing for beginners, and plenty of tutorials. Tell the world the BloodShot Army is here to spray.